Hello, welcome to Tom's Cubes and Games, and today we'll look at replacing the boot up image on your R36S. We'll look at stock OS, even though I recommend you replace that on a new decent branded card, and we'll look at ArkOS. Now, as they come, there are boot screens. We only have that singular boot image with the stock OS, and with ArkOS it chooses a random one of 5. Right, so let's shut those down. And start with the stock OS. Now I'm going to zip through everything. If you would like me to go through anything in more detail and more carefully, please let me know in the comments. So I'm popping the TF into the computer. Now this is the partition we need to work with, but if you're not sure or can't find it straight away, just go to this PC and there's the boot partition, and we need to replace this file logo.bmp. Let's just preserve this by renaming it in case we wish to restore it. Now I've prepared some images to work with from before. So in this example, let's use Microsoft Paint. Now the image must be a BMP 640 by 480. Right, so it must be a BMP. We'll just call it pick 1. And before we load it, let's just double check right click, properties, double check it's 640 by 480, copy that, and we'll just make this observation for now, it's 24-bit. So we'll copy that one, Control C, go back to the partition, Control V to paste, right click, properties, I'm going to rename that logo.bmp. We're done with that, so we can eject. Pop that back in our machine. And now, when we boot, we have our own image. So that's that, but better on the ArkOS setup. We can have a whole load of pictures and it will have a random one each time. So let's pop that into the computer. Now we can ignore this one. The pictures it will choose from randomly are these. So I'm going to get rid of these. Now if you wish you can of course rename them or move them all, but change the extension, otherwise they'll still show up. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of these. Now, this one I'm going to do with GIMP. First I'm going to go to GIMP. Create a new 640 by 480. Export as. Don't know what happened just the last time. This is what it should display. Now it's important, remember we made the observation it was 24-bit. We must make sure this is 24-bit. Right, so we're done with that. There it is. Right, so let's copy our, there's a couple I did earlier. Go back to the boot partition. I can't see it, so I'll just choose. Wait a minute, that's why I can't see it. There we are, boot. Go into the BMPs folder, paste those in. And there we are, and let's just double check they are definitely all the right size. 64480 24-bit BMP. Bit 64480 BMP. Bit 64480 BMP. 24-bit 64480 BMP. That's all good. We're done. Reject. And now it will show a random one of those. You know, I said don't worry about that file in the root directory that had logo BMP. That's the last time it will display it. Next time it'll replace it with one of our new ones. That's why I said just don't worry about it. Well, it happens to be the same as our one we did on the ArkOS. Let's see what it does next time. Shantae. And you can have as many as you like. The only stipulation is they are .bmp, 640 by 480, 24-bit color. Princess Leia. Shantae. Okay, well, I don't think it's shown them all yet. Obviously it can have a repeat since it is kind of random. Oh yeah, we haven't had a Suka yet. There's a Suka. There we go. Right, well, I hope you found that a bit of fun. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.